Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on the Galaxy S4, Samsung Galaxy S4. The easiest way is to buy a screen with the frame on it, so you can do it in no time. We're going to need these tools for this job. So we need Phillips screwdriver, guitar pick, IC Samo, tweezers, and this bright tools. Put them aside. So let's take this front parts, take the back cover, the battery. Make sure to take the SIM card, the memory card and SIM card off, out from the phone. And we start by taking these screws off. We have like 9 screws here. Okay, all the screws are the same, so I put them all together here. So once we take all the screws off, we're gonna come here to this point. Either you use the pry tools like this, the IC Samo, or use something like this, or use your nails. In my case, I'm gonna use only my nail. So you make a gap with your nail here from this part in the bottom where the charging port is, and just slide your nails between the frame and the glass. It's easy, so either you use your nail or you use your tools. So the back cover is off now. Put it aside. So what I'm going to do now, I will disconnect all the cables which are holding the screen. So we're going to start with the screen, the LCD cable. I'm still using my nails. I disconnect the antenna cable, charging port cable, and also I will disconnect the soft case cable. The soft case, it means the menu and the back button. And also I'm going to disconnect the headphone jack and the front facing camera and proximity sensor. 2 cables here, and we have this one here. Also, always on the Samsung motherboards, they have like 1 screw is holding the motherboard. We have it right here. It's a black screw. Put it aside, and then now we can lift up the motherboard. Okay, the motherboard is out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna now disconnect the charging port. So to disconnect the charging port has this bracket on top of it. So what I'm gonna do, I will push it this way and hold it and use IC Samo or screwdriver and lift this up. Also, I'm gonna disconnect the antenna cable. Disconnect. Make sure to handle with care. So now I'm gonna disconnect the charging port. So lift it up from here, and once you have it this way, you grab it from here and pull it gently, and after that replace your finger underneath here and grab it and pull it up gently. Make sure don't bend this charging port. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the vibrator. Use the IC Samo like this and insert it underneath. And once you have it like that, make sure you insert these tweezers exactly underneath this connection here. Okay, and now we're gonna remove the headphone jack. The headphone jack has 1 screw holding it here. And once you open the screw, just use the screwdriver, put it inside and lift it up. And keep this screw with the headphone jack, because you're gonna need it to put it back exactly where it was. So now we have the proximity sensor and the front facing camera and the earpiece cable here. They have a bracket holding them here, so I'm just gonna use this and lift it up. it's right here. So I'm gonna start by pulling up the front facing camera, and after that proximity sensor and the earpiece, they come together. So now I'm gonna take this cable out from here and we're done. So I took all the parts from this part here, so I'm gonna replace everything to this one here. I will start with the charging port. Make sure you keep this adhesive here because it's gonna help the charging port to stick very well in its place. So you're gonna take the charging port like this, and we'll lift up this cable and we install it here, and we stick it very well, and we put this bracket back. It clicks. After that we're gonna reconnect this cable soft case to this one. The charging port has a connection here, so I'm just gonna connect this one back. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the vibrator back. And make sure to take this plastic off. The headphone jack, I will put the screw back. Earpiece, there's some dust on it, I'm just gonna clean it. And front facing camera, and I will put this bracket on top of everything here. So now it's time for the motherboard. Make sure no cables stays underneath the motherboard. So we have this cable here and this one here and this one here. Make sure all of them, they are up, and start reconnecting the cables back. I connect the front facing camera and the proximity sensor and the earpiece, headphone jack, the LCD. Now let me connect the charging port first. For the LCD cable, if it's not matching 100% with this connection here, with this FPC, make sure you pull it up or down till you are sure it's 100% connected, because sometimes it doesn't connect perfectly, and if you keep just trying, you may mess it up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I will put this cable back. Alright, so everything is back now. So what I'm gonna do, I will put the last and the only screw, which is on the motherboard, and I will put the back cover, the back frame, so before I put the screws back, I'm gonna just turn the phone on and make sure it's working perfectly. Hopefully the battery is charged. I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do, I will plug it in charge. I want to see the picture on the screen. seems like I need to charge it more, so once I charge the phone I will come back. Okay, so the battery start charging. It's 0%, so I'm not gonna wait till it's like charged. I'm just gonna put the screws back. Alright, I put all the screws back. Still 0%. So I'm gonna put the SIM card here. For the SIM card, you click on it, it's stuck inside. If you click on it one more time, it pop up. Same thing for the memory card. Alright, so that was it for this video. Yeah, it has white back cover with black screen because we don't have the white screen. So let me plug it one more time. Alright, so it's charging. Thanks guys for watching, and meet you in another video, and please like the videos and subscribe for more. Thanks.